Next thing we're going to do is we're just going to do the window. The window has been pre-done. We did the reveals earlier on because we're going to fit the windows and the panels potentially before they go on site. So we've done the reveals, which gives me an opportunity to show what happens if the reveal has already been airtighted and the windows are fitted, which often happens even on site. But sometimes the windows will get delivered before you're ready. So you can tape and airtight reveals, put the windows in, and then do the internal walls afterwards. We've just got to be careful that we make sure that we do the right job for what is done. We've got the membrane going right over the window. Very easy. All we do is locate an edge. Shut the membrane. As you can see, we've already got the reveal done. So that was in preparation for the windows, without doing the internal edge. But I've taken the opportunity to use this panel to show you what we would do on site. Bearing in mind, keep them all rubbish together. The tape bit would be exactly the same as this, the same principles, making sure that any creases that could potentially be an area or create straw for the air to travel through is stretched out and the tape is on. The corners are really tight. Now, we've already got tight corners here because this was produced earlier, but we still need to make sure that when we tape the corners nice and tight. So, again, the idea is not to try and fight with the tape or try and bend it around the corners. The easiest, neatest way is usually the best way. What we're going to do, I'm going to cut pieces 8 to 8. Now, once again, don't try and do too much at on. We've got our lines here, so we're going to use approximately half 8. 3 around here. Halfway on. Then we're going to pull that in and stick to the tape before you lay. Now, because we're sticking tape on tape, it's not so essential to get the overlaps. We're going tape to tape. The tape to tape itself will compensate the overlap. Again, making sure the tape's really pushed in. Get any air bubbles out. Make sure it's got really good seals. Going to use the corners wrap the same as before. Going to cut myself up a square at 8. Doesn't have to be square, just have to be big enough. Create a triangle, fold back into the corner, making sure that that is really tight into the corner while stuck. Peel the back off, and then bring that down the corner, making sure that that corner is really nice and stuck in and tight. See how tight that corner is, and airtight. I'm going to repeat this process around the window, and then the reveal will be ready for the window. What I've got here, what's white treats, which is 45 feet of is me trying to pull the tape. What I'm now doing is smoothing out batteries, and I'm pushing that tape on the foot. So even though we've got a couple of creases in there, that crease, the tape, had really been pushed in and stopped any potential air leak backward. So, see yet from the corner? Making sure this got really good hold. Now, this is just a method I use because it works for me and it works every time. Now, when you come to do your airtightness, you will be doing eventually your own way. Everybody finds their own way of doing, but the airtightness is key, so it has to be done in a systematic way. Once you have a way that works, just improve on that and keep the same methods going. Because if it works once, it will work again and again and again. Everybody has their own way of working, but the idea is to follow what exactly the same.